Hello everyone, I am Anurag and along with me is Roshni. We are one of the teams for ESoC 2020 and we specifically were working on the wildfire forecasting and modeling project. So the current Global ECMWF Fire Forecasting system, which was implemented sometime in the 90s and was implemented in FORTRAN, is based on empirical models conceptualized during that time. And recent developments in machine learning and GIS, which could theoretically be used to boost these performances, have not been incorporated yet. So that's where we started off, trying to incorporate the advancements in machine learning and advancements in recent GIS techniques into wildfire modeling and wildfire forecasting. And over the period of these 5 or 6 months that we have been working with the ESoC team, we have developed various machine learning models that help us forecast indices that try to quantify fire danger, fire spread, fire intensity. And for all of these purposes, we use deep learning, we use various machine learning techniques. And overall, it's been a learning experience developing the project and figuring out how to gain better accuracy in modeling wildfire dynamics.
Hi, I'm Roshni and we had a very enjoyable experience over the last 5 months developing code for ESoC 2020. As you heard, we worked on wildfire forecasting. We got great mentorship from 2 experts in the field, Claudia and Tianran. We got a lot of compute infrastructure from Wakio. And personally, I was able to sharpen my skills both in machine learning and also in geographical information systems. So got to learn a lot, and developing actual code that makes it to a real world project and makes changes in people's lives and the environment was something great to work on.